Hey guys, welcome to the 14th lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on Tal Keherwa. It has 8 matras. The breakup is 4/4. We hope you are doing good with the lessons. These lessons are very important to train your fingers for faster movement. Therefore, without any further ado, let's jump into today's lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's video, the tempo will be same for Vilambit and Madhyalai. Today's Alankar has to be played with only 2 fingers, that is the thumb and forefinger or index finger. In today's part, we will teach you how to play the Alankar in Vilambit Lay, that is slow speed, and Madhyalai, that is medium speed. Now, let's look at the Alankar which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. You can note it down in your notebook too. At first, Vilambit Lay, ascending order, and descending order. The tempo in which we will play today is at 140 BPM. In today's lesson, we will play both Vilambit Lay and Madhyalai together without stopping. Kindly focus when we shift from Vilambit to Madhyalai. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilambit Lay and Madhyalai at 140 BPM. And with that, today's lesson ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today. And don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the second part of the 14th lesson of the Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.